guys, so shout out to Klaiyi hair. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful hair. This is kinky curly hair in 24 inches. When you get your package, it's going to come in a wonderful pink box like this with the hair, a little bit of goodies, lashes, clips, head ties, and you're also going to get your gorgeous, beautiful hair. This is how the hair comes packaged. This is the lace. This is HD lace, and this is the baby hairs that they have provided for you on the wig. It is also a pre-plucked wig, so if you're not into plucking and you're not really into all of that, you don't have to worry about it. It's already done for you. I did also remove these combs that are inside. I did leave the back comb in, but I did cut the other ones out. Now this is the hair on the mannequin after I took it out of the net, and now I'm just looking at it, looking at the ends, and it actually looks really, really good. So yeah, it doesn't have a funny smell. Some hair usually has like a weird funny smell to it, but it does not have that with this hair. I'm just going to go ahead and wash this hair. I'm going to pluck the wig a little bit more just to customize it. All right, so this is the hairline. I'm happy with the way this hairline is looking. A lot more natural. Now I'm just going to slick it back. And here is the beautiful, beautiful wig. I went ahead and I did the bald cap method. Super easy. All I did was added some Got2b gel on my hair, slicked my hair back, put the cap on, and I also sprayed the Eben, I think that's how you pronounce it, Eben, over the hairline, let it dry. And now I'm just cutting off. If you guys want a more detailed, video on how to do this process, I will be happy to show you. But it's not that hard. I like doing this method because it gives you a really beautiful, flawless installation. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking the Eben adhesive spray. This is in the red bottle, the red can. And I really, really love this spray. It is very, very strong hold. I haven't tried the black bottle yet, but I am going to go ahead and get that next. But this is what I use to slick the cap down all the way down and make sure that it doesn't have any lifting. And you can really tell a difference if you don't do this process. When you actually put the wig on, you can actually see it coming through the lace. So we just want to make sure all of that is slicked down and that we have a flawless application. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do, this is blending the, well, I guess it's kind of like tinting the lace. But so basically what I'm doing is I'm going to put my foundation, I'm using my concealer, and I'm applying that to the cap just so that once I put the wig on, as you see here, it all blends flawlessly. Like it looks like it's coming out of my hair. Now, I did make a few mistakes, which I will show you guys in a few moments, some mistakes, but I'm just showing y'all how beautiful this hairline is, you guys. I plucked it just to make it a little bit more customized for my liking. This wig is absolutely perfect. It fits me ear to ear. I don't have to worry about cutting any excess off for it to fit my ears. It fits perfectly. This is me parting it just to see how it's looking. I did not bleach the knots on this. I didn't want to, I mean, you can if you want to, but you don't have to. But this method that I'm doing, it blends in flawlessly. It looks like scalp. So I'm just measuring it, seeing how I want to lay it, how far up I want it, how far back I want it, just, seeing how I like it. Next, I'm going to go ahead. Now, this is the part where I messed up a little bit. All I'm doing is spraying this here a little bit more in the areas that I saw were lifting like I did previously. Now, what you're going to do here is just spray this spray, do 3 layers, and you're going to apply the lace to your head. What I did was I added some glue some adhesive glue, which was old, and it messed up my application, which you'll see it in a few moments. But I'm just doing the same thing with this lace. I'm putting this concealer inside of the lace as well, just to make it tintillate. This is tinting the lace right here. So I'm just putting that inside the lace, and I also put it on my head as well. So back to what I was saying was I took it off camera. You don't see it on camera, but I used glue. I was going to bond this hair down with Bold Hold. It did not work out, you guys. It was some old glue or something, and it just messed the whole application up. So I removed that, and then I was running out of glue. So it was like, I was like, okay, I need to get this figured out. So this is the part here where I added the 3 sprays of the Eben spray. And I had just enough to complete this application. As you can see it right here, you can see you can see how the lace is being bonded down from the adhesive spray. But my foundation was not as flawless as it was before I laid the wig down, because I had an issue using another glue. So just use the spray, or if you're going to use the glue, use the glue. Make sure that it's not an old glue, so it doesn't mess your hair up. So I just basically just put the wig on my head, and now I'm just taking my comb and I'm smoothing this hair out. This is going to bring the hair basically make it look like it's coming out of the scalp. So the spray is so much easier. I definitely think the spray is beginner friendly. If you're not advanced in applying lace wigs, I would definitely recommend using the spray. It's a lot easier, and I don't think I'm ever going to go use the glue again. So next, I'm just taking my blow dryer, and I am drying this spray. This is giving me a really nice tight hold, you guys. I only did 2 sprays because I had to use the spray sparingly because I was running out. So here is where I decided that I wanted to do a side part. Now, this is how I had to do the side part because this is not a full lace wig. So I had to do it as much lace was given me. I had to do as much lace as I could possibly use. So next I'm gonna go ahead and use my wax stick. I did go ahead and part the perimeter of my hair out where I'm gonna be doing some baby hairs, but I'm also just using my wax stick because I'm going to slick all this down and I want this to get super, super, super flat. So I definitely took my time. This took me about 10 minutes just to do this alone. 10 to 15 minutes because I want to make sure that it's not lumpy. I wanted to make sure it was very, very, very flat. Make sure that your hot comb is really, really hot before you start doing this process. If this is what you're going to do when you want to get your units flat, make sure that it's really, really hot because that's going to help get it in there really good and it's going to get really, really flat and natural looking. We want a natural installation. We don't want nothing lumpy. We don't want it to look wiggy. We want this thing to look like it is our hair. Yes, it's a wig, but we want it to look like our hair. And I'm also going to hot comb those baby hairs as well. Next, I'm just going to pin my hair back and I'm going to start working on the baby hairs. I'm going to keep it real with y'all, you guys. These baby hairs was not easy for me. And normally I don't have a hard time doing baby hairs. But for some reason, it just, I just didn't have my mojo. I just didn't have it. So it took me some time to actually get the baby hairs. I wasn't 100% happy with the baby hairs because I've done better baby hairs. But I just did the best I could. So here, I'm just going to thin some of the baby hairs out because it is looking kind of thick. And I'm just going to tweeze the baby hairs out. But right here, I am just shaping the baby hairs how I would like it to look. Just kind of like a rough draft. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my razor and I'm going to cut my baby hairs. But before I do that, I'm going to hot comb them out just so they can be more easy to tame and they can lay right. Now, you don't need any baby hairs if you don't want any baby hairs. This hairline is perfect. You don't need baby hairs, but me, I like baby hairs. And I don't see myself not having baby hairs. So now I'm just going to cut it at an angle. And like I said, you guys, I did my best with these baby hairs. Oh my gosh, I really need to practice. I don't know. I don't know. I think I got a little bit intimidated with the baby hairs because I knew I didn't have much spray. And I made it work though. We did it though. So I'm just tweezing. And I'm cutting my baby hairs at an angle. And to slick my baby hairs, I am using my wrapping lotion. It doesn't have any alcohol in it. If you're going to do your baby hairs, make sure whatever one you're using, it doesn't have any alcohol in it because it will lift your lace up. So I'm just swooping it in different directions. As you can see, my face is tore up because I'm just like, oh Lord, what is going on? I didn't want them looking too thick. I did the best I could. So now I'm just wrapping my hair. And I'm wrapping my baby hairs down. And now I'm going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until I am ready to go. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and comb this hair out. This hair is Afro texture hair. So it operates just like Afro kinky hair. So it definitely does need product. I would recommend definitely detangling it and adding some water. And I'm also going to be adding my Kinky curling cream to my hair, just to hold the curl in and just make it easier to tame. This is a lot of hair, you guys, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful when it's wet. It's beautiful when it dries. And I absolutely love this hair. So now that I have it really damp, I'm going to go ahead and add the curling cream. This is the Kinky curling cream. And once I massage that into the hair, I'm also going to spray it with water, more water. And I also did the other side off camera for you guys. Now it's time for the reveal. I was like hoping that it came out right, and it did come out really, really pretty. So I'm very pleased with this. The edges look really good. They laid really, really nicely. The curl is giving what it's supposed to give, honey, and I'm loving it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and define my part. I'm taking some concealer, the same concealer that I used to put inside of the wig and on my cap. And I'm just applying that to the part. Then I'm going to blend that within the lace. And when you blend it within the lace, sometimes it spreads onto the hair, but we can fix that easily with a black pencil, a black eyeliner pencil, or you can use mascara or spray or whatever. But this is easy to use, just a pencil and just go around it in the defined part. Next, I'm just going to use the same foam, wrapping foam that I use for my baby hairs. I'm putting that at the top of the hair just to give it some shine and sleek it down. This is the hair, you guys. It is tameable, it moves, it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. All right, you guys, so this is the Klaiyi hair in 24 inches, the kinky curly hair. You guys, it came out so beautiful. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. This is kinky curly hair. This mimics Afro texture hair. So if you love Afro texture hair, if you love kinky curly hair, this is the wig for you. The hair is so gorgeous, you guys. And this is the hair, semi-dry. It's not fully dry, but it is a little bit damp in the back. But this is the hair as it's drying. It's very beautiful. When the hair is dry, it's not gonna get any bigger than this. It might get a little bit bigger, but it's not gonna get too over the top big. But if you were to brush this hair out, it would be out to here. And I actually think that this hair would actually look really cute in flexi rods or like a cute little rod set. I think that would be really good with this hair. Thank you so much to Klaiyi hair. Klaiyi hair, you guys, is so bomb. They are so responsive, so professional, easy to work with. If there's any issue, they on it right away. Like there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, and I love them. So shout out to them. Make sure you guys check the link in the description box to check the site, and if you want this hair and get a discount on this hair, get some money off on your purchase of this hair, please use the link down below. I love you guys so much. I am loving this hair so much, you guys. Let me know if you guys are loving these hair reviews, hair tutorials. There's so much more coming to this channel, you guys, but yes, this is it. I love it. Yes, you guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. It is absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, super pretty. Super, super pretty. I love it. This is definitely show-stopping hair. If you want to have attention and compliments and just all eyes on you and your hair make a statement, this is the wig. This is the wig for you. But yes, you guys, thank you so much, Klaiyi hair, for sending me this 24-inch kinky curly hair. I absolutely love it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.